So today we are going to talk about something, okay? And before I start talking about anything, no one, and I mean no one, is going to talk about these because they are mine. Only I can talk about them, okay? So yeah, let us begin. Today I want to talk about how I think the fear of being perceived by people who you don't even know control your life a lot. Right. I'll start off by saying that for the longest time, I was a person who did not really talk out. मतलब what does that mean? मतलब हम जोर से नहीं बोलते थे. And then I am a loud laugher. I am a really loud laugher. Now everyone knows that. But for the longest time, I was like, oh, what if they judge me? What if, they make fun of me about the way I laugh, about the way I talk and all, which is so stupid. Why will I not talk or laugh the way I want to? Why can't I be loud? And why can't I have a loud laugh? Just because सामने वाला person will judge me for the way I laugh, that does not make sense, right? Because I want to have बहुत ज़्यादा fun and I want to laugh the way I want to and I want to talk the way I want to, unless of course सामने वाला person is getting bothered because वो कुछ काम कर रहा है and my laugh or loud voice is annoying that person. So yeah, that's what I want to say, that I think a lot of people don't even realize it, that they are suppressing themselves just because they are scared of being judged, when that's not even a thing to be judged upon. Like, I mean, okay, I get it. If you are getting disturbed, you can just tell me, oh, can you lower down your voice a bit? But other than that, I don't think like you should be scared about the fact that लोग तुम्हारे बारे में क्या बोलेंगे. भाई, लोग तो बोलते ही रहेंगे. लोगों का काम ही है बोलना. You will sit quietly and people will judge you. Oh my god, look at her, she's so quiet, she doesn't even talk. You're gonna get judged anyway. So do what you love. If you love being quiet, do it. If you love screaming, do it. But obviously ऐसे आसपास के लोगों को देखो कि वो लोग परेशान ना हो, ठीक है? So yeah, do not stop yourself for anyone, because भाई, for the longest time I did that, and now that I don't care, I realize कि भाई, I could have done that, because there's nothing, before you do that said stuff, there's a lot of fear कि oh my god, what if I do it? What if people are gonna say something? What will people say? They'll ask you to shut up, that's all. What's the worst that can happen? Nothing. So do it. Live your life. Good. It's not even about talking or laughing out loud, or it's also about putting forward opinions, right? Doing that thing that you've always wanted to do, but people are always like, that's very cringe. You never know what's gonna happen, right? So let them say it. If it brings happiness to you, do it. Look at me, what am I doing? I'm doing what I've always wanted to do. Everything in life, right? I've always wanted to make videos, and here I am. I know, I mean, I don't care what everyone is saying, right? I've been said stuff कि अच्छा पढ़ाई छोड़ के ये सब कर रही हो. I've been said stuff कि नहीं, और कुछ तो कोई हमको बोला नहीं, but I'm pretty sure people think that. But do I care? I do not care, because just because वो person, whatever that person has said is their opinion, that is not the reality, right? So, and I don't care if anyone's saying that good, you have an opinion. That's great that you have an opinion. I love that for you. I just don't want it, and I don't care. So yeah, I think that's pretty much it, because very honestly, since I have just stopped caring and I've just started to do everything and anything that I want and not think about सामने वाला person क्या बोल रहा है, it feels free, it does not feel like ये कैसे बोल दिया, थोड़ा बहुत लगता है. बट अदर देन दैट, when you actually do the stuff that you really want to do, it does not matter. People might say a lot of things कि अरे देखो ये कर रही है, अरे देखो अभी कर रही है, 2 दिन बाद ठीक हो जाएगी, 2 दिन बाद ठीक हो जाएगी. लाइक आई एम अ प्रॉब्लम इफ आई डू दैट. सो आई मीन ठीक है, do not, it's the point of this video is to cut out the noise. Just cut it out. It does not matter. They're going to speak anyway, they're going to talk anyway, because they need to have something to talk about, right? So they're going to talk anyway. Do it anyway. Do whatever you want anyway. कर लो भाई, क्या फ़र्क पड़ता है, क्या हो जाएगा. It is not the end of the world. Do it. I just started the video with something else and I ended on a different note. But you know, that is all I want to say, that do not let your fear of being judged stop you from doing anything you want. Because they're gonna talk one day and they are gonna forget the next. 10 days from now, they're not even gonna remember what you did or said. So it does not matter. Just ki matlab whatever you do or say should not hurt anyone, right? Other than that, do it, man. Do it for yourself. Because if it brings happiness to you, it does not matter what anyone in the world says. It does not matter, really. Yeah, take constructive criticism. Do not be opposed to that. But other than that, cut out the noise. They are just noise. It does not matter. All that matters is what you do for yourself.